सहजानंद स्वामी महाराज ने जय। कहाँ कहूँ हरि करुणा तेरी। Brahmanand Swami scripted this beautiful bhajan expressing gratitude to the Almighty for everything that He has done for each one of us, believers and non-believers, seekers and non-seekers. There is some care that God has taken of all of us. The only challenge being that God is always invisible. He is always silently doing this, and hence it's very tricky to perceive and understand. Until oxygen was proven by scientists to be existing, we all would have disregarded this concept. There are so many such things that aren't provable, but if we believe, we experience benefits of it. Gratitude of the Almighty's miracles in our life are such happenings. In this bhajan, Brahmanand Swami highlights the extreme care that God has taken when we were in the womb of the mother. And even till date, He feeds all of us. He's created abundance of materialistic things, of food, of water, of air, all the energy that we need to survive. This universe, this solar system, plants exhale oxygen, we inhale oxygen. Everything is designed so meticulously that human beings can survive with comfort. All these beautiful creations deserve highest amount of gratitude from our side. But unfortunately again, because God is an unseen, unresponsive, non-reciprocative energy, if we try to seek Him materially, we get confused, we get lost, we disregard, we take Him for granted, till a point comes when a Sadguru, a Satpurush, a saint comes and awakens us, reminds us of our true identity, reminds us of the truth behind this creation, makes this invisible visible in front of us, makes the unperceivable perceivable. We begin to believe, we begin to experience, we begin to express, we begin to transform. And at that point, this kind of reverence that is expressed in this bhajan comes alive. कहाँ कहूँ हरि करुणा तेरी, कहाँ कहूँ हरि करुणा तेरी। पशु मिटाई मनुष्य मोहे कीनो, पशु मिटाए मनुष्य मोहे कीनो। अन जड़ पोषत सांझ सवेरी, अन जड़ पोषत सांझ सवेरी। करुणा तेरी, करुणा तेरी, कहाँ कहूँ हरि करुणा तेरी। How will I ever repay this debt? How valuable and priceless is a human incarnation? And you gave it to me free of cost. You gave me this human birth, not making me a plant, not making me an animal, but giving me this full Panchendriya experience of a human life. The highest intelligent, form of a living being is what you created me as. How can I express gratitude for this? I can only bow down to you. I can only love you enough to tell you thank you. Not only did you give me this human birth, Anajad Poshat Sanj Saveri. You took care of me every single day of this human life by giving me food, by giving me water, by helping me survive, by never letting me go thirsty and hungry to bed, by waking me up each morning, by giving me the blessing of sleep each day. गर्भवास मही पचो अधोमुख जठर अग्नि तन दाह गनेरी तेहि दुख ते मोए राखी लियो तुम नाथ तुम ही मेरो नाथ तुम ही मेरो हाथ ग्रहेरी नाथ तुम ही मेरो हाथ ग्रहेरी करुणा तेरी करुणा तेरी. When I was in that womb, turning upside down, in that claustrophobic environment, it must be dark, it must be difficult to survive in a mother's womb, but you held my hand in that womb. This miraculous creation where a sperm grows into a human being, where from a drop of water something so magnificent and beautiful evolves, something so intelligent evolves. The energy that creates this is what we call God. Whatever form God may be in, whatever intelligence it may be, whether it's the universe, whether it's nature, whatever it is intelligent. And we are bowing down to that intelligence and thanking that intelligence for giving us this experience. बाहर आई भयोन्मत में जठर त्रास सब ही बिसरेरी तुमको बूल फूल सो फिरत हूँ तुमको बूल फूल सो फिरत हूँ कहीं न जात मूर्खता मेरी कहीं न जात मूर्खता मेरी करुणा तेरी करुणा तेरी करुणा तेरी. 9 months were so difficult and it would have been impossible to survive without your help. But the moment I was born, everything that happened in those 9 months I forgot. And I took your help for granted. I couldn't even thank you the moment I got distracted by this universe. I've done this innocent, ignorant mistake of forgetting the one who never forgets me, of taking for granted somebody who never fails to live up to me. This is my murakhta, that after having born, I even challenge the concept of your existence, whereas my existence would have been impossible without your help. This is what I want to apologize for. When I feel gratitude for you, I am regretting and repenting all the days and all the moments in which I forgot you. in which I made your gifts a priority and I didn't make you the giver my priority. All the days when I forgot to thank you for all the little things that you do for me. Today I want to thank you for all of those things. Parapar Puran Purushottam Somo Kaj Nar Deh Dhareri ब्रह्मानंद कहत प्रभु तुमको दया सिंधु सब वेद कहेरी करुणा तेरी. You take human incarnation, human form in various forms, as Swaminarayan, as Mahavir, as Srimad Rajchandra, as Allah, as Rishabdev, as Jesus. In various forms, you come back to us seekers to remind us of this truth, to save us from getting distracted. That's why you are called Daya Sindhu. That's why you are called the ever compassionate, the ever loving. In spite of us not being able to live up to you, you always keep giving us chances, opportunities, bhajans like this, Vachnamrats, Satpurush, Sadguru, Satsangs. You keep giving us gentle reminders that hello, you exist because of me. How can you forget me? And that's when kirtans like this reignite the gratitude in the seeker for all the blessings and gifts received from you. तुम बिन कौन सगो हरि मेरो, तुम बिन कौन सगो हरि मेरो. मात पिता जुवती सुत बांधव, मात पिता जुवती सुत बांधव, मिलके सब दुख देत घनेरो. कौन मेरो, कौन मेरो. You are my absolute well-wisher. You are my highest relationship. You are my most authentic connection. Just like my mother, just like my father, just like my family, just like my brother, just like my best friend. You are even above all of these. You are an unconditional lover who has never seen my flaws, my shortcomings, who's never measured how much I love you back, who has nothing to gain from me, who has no selfish interest from me, and yet keeps loving me. You're that loving, compassionate energy in my life. बहुत काल भटक्यो मेरी भव में, सहयो कष्ट प्रति देह अनेरो. अब तो पर्यो हूँ शरण राव रे, जूं त्यों कीजे नाथ निबेरो, नाथ निबेरो. Since many births, I have been caught up in this cycle of birth and death, because every time I take birth, I get distracted in the material world. I get lost. I forget you. I forget what my purpose was. I forget why I was born. I forget who made me exist. I keep forgetting all these fundamental truths. And that's when I get unhappy. That's when I get lost, confused, sad. That's when I suffer. But when I come to your Sharan, when I come to your feet, when I come back to you, I know that you are going to somehow remind me all these truths, reconnect me with you, put me back on track, give me my happiness back, because I was always the source of happiness and I didn't have to search outside. I was the source of peace. I was the source of love, because you have put the seeds of love, peace and happiness inside me. I never had to search them outside. And these awakenings, you came and fed me with. You showered the grace of wisdom through all the saints, mentors and guides, through all the shastras, through all the kirtans. You made this awakening happen. गर्भवास तन त्रास बहुविध, कष्ट मिटाय दियो बहु तेरो। मौका पटी से कुछ न बनी है, मौका पटी से कुछ न बनी है, बाय ग्रहे की लाज सोहेरो, बाय ग्रहे की लाज सोहेरो। कौन है मेरो, कौन है मेरो। I am such a kapti. I keep getting insincere in what I say, in what I do. I manipulate. I misuse the intellect and the mind given by you. And I try to show that I love you when I don't love you. And I come to this spiritual path and also try to fool you. But does that work? That never works. Insincerity, non-authenticity never reaches anyone, even in a material relationship. If you are trying to fake your love for someone, nobody will appreciate it. Sooner or later, it comes out. Because even if you say it, you don't mean it, and even if you mean it, it doesn't show in our actions. Unless the love is authentic, it's not going to reach. Unless our seeking, our worshipping, our surrender, our gratitude is going to be authentic most, it's not going to reach him. And yet, he keeps offering help to us. I know it's not authentic yet, but why don't you do this? It will start becoming authentic. He sends the right people, he sends the right wisdom, he sends the right help in our life, that we begin to get more authentic in our love for God. This is also His grace. Brahmanand kahat sukh sagar, adamo dharak naam tum kero. मैं तो पूत कपूत भयो पुनि, तुम तो पिता निज बिरुद ग्रहेरो। ओ तुम तो पिता निज बिरुद ग्रहेरो, बिरुद ग्रहेरो। Brahmanand Swami says, you are Sukh Sagar. You are the ocean of happiness. You are Adham or Dharak. Even if we fall short, even if we are not patras, even if we are not eligible, with your grace, with your love, even a kuput put, even a child who does not behave like an ideal child, in fact harasses the parents, and that kind of a child who has troubled you a lot, again and again, but you are that father who never breaks his promise of loving the child unconditionally. In my ignorance, I have failed to be an ideal child to you, but you have never failed being an ideal father. And how can I express my gratitude for that? Sometimes out of ignorance I say things that would hurt you a lot. Sometimes out of ignorance I would fail to say the things that I ought to say. And today with this bhajan I want to apologize for all my known and unknown inappropriate doings. And all I want to express to you is gratitude for all your known and unknown gifts, for all your blessings, for you never giving up on me, for you always loving me, for you always trying to awaken me. I promise you I shall try to live up to it. Sahajanand Swami Maharaj Jai.